In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the integrated vendors available inside Path. All right, let's go ahead and open up Path's list of integrated vendors. Now, when you first go to this list, you'll see all 210 plus vendors in alphabetical order. It's a pretty long list. They'll have their phone number listed, a link to their website. Some will have a demo video, so that's very helpful to see more information on their product. For the purpose of this video, we'll go through the vendors in their categories, starting with accounting and custom reports. So Loan Vision, they're really good at putting together accounting reports. They also can help with any additional types of custom reports that you're looking to build. Then we have AI and document management. So Tidal Wave, they are a very powerful point of sale with AI tools built in to leverage AI technology. And then Trained, they're also a very popular vendor that can provide AI tools to your loan process. And then Verpack, they're a very well-known doc management vendor that's integrated to Path. Then we have AUS, so we've got DO, DU, Fannie Mae Early Check, Freddie Mac LPA, and Loan Scorecard, which is a sister company of Path. They're also owned by CALYX Technologies, and they power the Path AUS engine. All right, let's move on to AVM and appraisal. So we've got Aimport, CoreLogic AVM, Mercury Network, MTS Group, and PCV Mercor. And last I checked, I believe about 65% of appraisals nationwide went through the Mercury Network. All right, let's go back to our list of vendors here. So we have compliance. So we have Azimuth, Compliance Ease, and then InContracts, formerly QuestSoft. They have that compliance engine called Compliance Eagle. And then we have our construction draw management vendor, Land Gorilla, very well-known vendor to help with construction draws. Then we have Core Service Middleware. Okay, so these guys can take the Path API and they can pull out data from your Path LOS database and integrate it to third-party systems like advanced CRMs or big data analytics for capital markets, or the most popular use case when you service your loans and you need to get the data from Path into your banking core solution. And just a quick side note, so Access Business Technologies, ABT, we've worked with them for, I want to say about 15 years now. And I've got a couple contacts over there that are just tremendous to work with, very knowledgeable. All three vendors are great, but if you are looking to get some middleware, reach out to me and I can connect you with somebody over at Access Business Technologies just to help speed up that process. Okay, then moving on here, we've got credit. Okay, so we've got a lot of credit vendors, so instead of reading them out, I'll just kind of scroll through it. But basically, all the big credit vendors we're going to have in here for you, so you can go ahead and get signed up or get them set up in Path to order credit quickly and seamlessly. Then we have your credit soft pull. So these are going to be the vendors that allow you to do soft pulls in Path when ordering credit. So that's going to be Exactus, Credit Plus, Factual Data, and Meridian Link. All right, then moving on to CRM. So we've got a number of CRMs that are integrated to Path, starting with Aduvo, Be in Touch, Bonzo, Accelerate, Lead Mailbox, Unify, and Usurpa. So any of those CRMs you could sign up with and start using right out of the box with their integration to Path. Then disclosure and closing docs. So these are your doc vendors. So we've got Assurity, Blackman and Graham, DocMagic, DocuPrep, Gregg and Volpe, IDS, and Pearson and Patterson, also known as PP Docs. So a lot of great options there for you for doc vendors. Then your flood. So we've got CBC Innovus Factual Data, American Flood Research, CoreLogic, Data Quick Lending Solutions, Data Verify, GC Engineering, Loretta, and ServiceLink National Flood. Then for fraud, we've got Assurity, Data Verify, First American Fraud Guard, and pitch point. All four of those are integrated, ready for you to use inside Path. Fulfillment. All right, let me take a moment and talk about Sutherland Mortgage Services. So they are a very large global company. They've been doing mortgages and mortgage services for a couple decades now. Um, and with Path, we have a strategic partnership with them specifically for their BPO offering, their business process outsourcing. So if you're using Path and you're looking for a third-party processing company, a third-party underwriting company, third-party post-closing, fulfillment, quality control, any of those services, Sutherland can provide that for you. And they have a Path account. They know Path very well. We work very closely with them. So they are an excellent solution if you're looking for any outsourced servicing for your loan process working with Path. All right, then we've got MI. So we've got all the MI companies, your Arch MI, Enact, Essent, MGIC, National MI, and the Radian Group, all integrated to Path, ready for you to use. Then PPE and hedging. So Loan Scorecard, again, that's the sister company of Path, owned by CALYX Technology. And not only do they power the Path AUS, but they also power the Path pricing engine. So both AUS and pricing powered by our sister company, Loan Scorecard. And that product and pricing engine by Loan Scorecard, which we call Path Pricer, offers custom pricing. So if you're doing portfolio lending, but it also offers investor pricing, whether you're brokering loans and you need wholesale investor pricing, or you're selling on the secondary market and you need correspondent investor pricing. They can handle that whole gamut of pricing options for you. Then we've got Moretech and Optimal Blue, very popular third-party pricing engines integrated inside Path. And then for your capital markets, we have MCT, Mortgage Capital Training. They are the industry leader when it comes to capital market management tools. We work very closely with their team, and our interface with them is lights out. So I could not recommend them more if you need a tool to help you manage capital markets. All right. So then Prequal. So LenderLogix, that's a nice vendor that can provide a pre-qual tool for you. And then title and disclosure fees. So we have Lodestar and Stewart Title. Now, Lodestar, they have two offerings in Path where you can either run their service and their disclosure fees will auto-populate at no cost. That's not rep and warranted. But the other offering is rep and warranted, where you run their engine, populates the disclosure fees, and all those fees will be rep and warranted at a cost. And then last, verifications. So we have Advantage Credit, great team over there. We know them well. Birchwood Credit, Certified Credit Link, CIC Mortgage, CTI Credit Technology, Data Verify, Equifax, Informative Research, L1 Credit, and Meridian Link. So this concludes this video. I certainly appreciate your time watching. Path is absolutely amazing. Your team will love it. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for, again, watching this video.